Hello, my beautiful bugs. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Brooke. Today, we are going to be doing an eye look inspired by my nails. I just got my nails done the other day by my girl, Kenzie. I will link her Instagram here, and I'll insert it as well. I'll also insert a picture of my nails so you can see them up close and personal. Obviously, by the picture and right now, you can tell my nails are black. My lids are blue and purple, and that is because I based it off the gems and sparkles on my nails. With that being said, let's just jump right into the video.
Our first step after priming, we are going to take our NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer in the shade Alabaster, and we are going to put some concealer on our lids, acting as an eyeshadow primer. And we are just blending that out with our beauty blender, of course. Now, of course, we are going to take our tape so we have a nice clean edge. Now we're going to take our NYX Ultimate Colors palette and our e.l.f. contour eye brush, and this is me trying to figure out what color we're going to use first. Okay, and we're going in with the blue shade, and we are just packing that into our crease. I am just tapping in this blue shadow. I'm not doing very much of a swiping motion, mostly a tapping and dabbing motion. And I am just packing this into my whole crease, all the way from the beginning of my eye to the very edge of my eye where we put the tape. Now you see me doing small circular strokes. That is just to blend out the color as we go. Now I'm just taking a fluffy blending brush, and I am just going to slightly blend that out in circular motions. Now we are going to jump back into our palette, and we're going to take this dark purple shade, and we're going to put it right underneath the blue shadow that we just put down. Same exact way that we put down the blue shadow, except right underneath it. Now we are going in with the concealer we were using earlier to cut our crease. If you would like a more in-depth cut crease tutorial, you should definitely check out some of my other videos. Most of them are cut crease tutorials, so yeah. Now I'm going back in with the purple shade and an e.l.f. clear eyeshadow brush, and we are creating some winged liner with this purple shadow. I am just packing this shadow on. You can also use a Q-tip to pack on the shadow in your inner corner to help as well. Now with a flat packing brush, we're going back in with that electric blue, and we are putting that on the remainder of our lid above the purple liner and below our blue and purple crease. Now I'm going back in with that same purple shadow and just touching up our purple liner that we did. Now I'm going to do the rest of my face.
Snoop wanted to join. Say hello. Hi, baby.
Now I'm going to be taking this e.l.f. glitter liquid eyeshadow and I'm going to be putting that in the inner corner where there is empty space. And I am applying this with the doe foot that it came with and spreading it out with a flat packing brush. Now for our under eyes, I'm taking this electric blue on a Q-tip and I'm putting that directly into my waterline, acting as a eyeliner. Now I'm going to be taking this magenta purple color and I'm going to be putting that on the outer corner of my lower lash line, connecting that to the purple eyeshadow that we put on earlier. Now we are going to go in with this orange shade and we are going to put that on our lower lash line in a triangle shape in the center of our eye. I feel like this really brings out your eyes and makes them pop. Now, time for lashes, mascara, and jewels if you'd like. And we are done.
I know I look a little different from the intro. Yes, your girl got bangs, and I cannot stop doing things to myself that are possibly permanent / semi-permanent, like to myself. I just can't. Like tattoos, haircuts, freaking literally the whole fucking nine. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also click the bell icon down below to get notified every time I post a new video. See you guys next time.